Genesis from Bible explained in 2 minutes. Genesis is the first book of the Bible, telling the origin of the world, humanity, sin, and God's covenant with his people. The Bible starts in Genesis. God creates the heavens and the earth. We meet Adam and Eve in the Garden of Eden. Sin enters the world. Later, God calls Abraham and promises to make his descendants into a great nation. Genesis begins with the creation of the world. God makes light, land, sea, plants, animals, and finally, humans, Adam and Eve. God placed them in a beautiful paradise called Eden. God creates the world in 6 days and rests on the seventh. Satan, in the form of a serpent, tempted Eve. She and then Adam ate the forbidden fruit, disobeying God. Their disobedience, known as the fall, brought sin, suffering, and death into the world, separating humanity from God. The first sons of Adam and Eve. Cain, in jealousy, kills his brother Abel, introducing the first murder. Humanity becomes corrupt. God sends a flood to cleanse the earth, sparing only Noah, his family, and animals in the ark. People attempt to build a tower to heaven known as Babel Tower. God confuses their languages, scattering them across the earth. Hence different languages came into existence among humans. God calls Abram, later Abraham, promising to make his descendants a great nation. God destroys the wicked cities of Sodom and Gomorrah but saves Lot and his family. God tests Abraham's faith by asking him to sacrifice his son Isaac. God provides a ram instead. Twin brother sons of Isaac, Jacob, and Esau who fight over birthrights and blessings. Jacob, the younger, becomes the heir of God's promise. Joseph is sold by his brothers. He rises to power in Egypt as minister due to his God-fearing life, and later forgives and saves them during a famine.